Hello guys! Today I've got Xiaomi Sound Play and I'm going to show you how to rename your speaker in your Android phone. So, the first thing that you need to do is to open the settings in your phone. Here you need to tap Connected Devices and tap here this gear icon near your speaker. As you can see, here we've got this pen icon. Depending on your Android version and of course the phone, it can be either here or any other place, but the pen icon is the same. So you need to tap pen icon and now you can modify your name. Add letters, add emojis, everything. When you're done, just tap rename. Unfortunately, you can't bring back your name to the default one using some button, so you need to do this manually. And that should be it. Goodbye.